As your skin becomes dry, it tends to build up dead skin cells that will leave your skin looking dull and unhealthy. But adding moisturizing oil is the easiest way to reclaim your skin. Hello to my skincare lovers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for liking my video. Thank you for some people that are even sharing my video. It means a whole lot to me that you decided to click on my channel to join in the conversation. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all my 6 best oil to add to your skincare routine. You know, this oil is for caramel skin, dark skin, light skin, whatever your skin tone is, this oil is actually for you. So guys, if you're wondering what is this body oil everyone is talking about, come, let me tell you something. Let me tell you what body oil is. Body oil actually a skincare product, yes, and what it does basically is to treat or prevent extremely dry skin. You know, it will nourish your skin, smoothen your skin, give you a healthy glowing skin without even wasting much money. But this, even as much as oil is important, which so many people don't know, oil is very important to keep your skin healthy. You should not replace your oil with your lotion. Your lotion is as important as your oil, and your oil is also as important as your lotion. This oil is derived from fruit extract and vegetable seed. You know, the best of it all is the one that is chemical free. What it does is to improve the texture of your skin, you know, lock in moisture and lock out dryness, leaving your skin looking smooth, you know, nourished and soft and healthy. So guys, today I'll be introducing to this body oil, and trust me, I've used this body oil and I know people that have used it and they achieved amazing results. This body oil we are talking in today's video, for people that like, I want lightening oil. Every time it's not about lightening. Sometimes add something that will make your skin healthy. So this one, it is good whether you're light skin or you're dark skin or you're caramel skin. This body oil I'm talking about in today's video, after using it, everybody will ask you, what body cream are you using? They will not know that what you did is just to add this body oil I'm going to talk about, just to add it. It's not going to lighten you, like I said, it's not going to darken you. What it will do is to give you a healthy, glowing skin that everyone craves for. It's an excellent way to lock in moisture and lock out dryness. So without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. The first in our list is VASALINE Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant Body Gel. Let me tell you, the first time I saw this body oil, I saw it from God, I just remembered her name, and all of a sudden her name disappeared. Anita, yeah, Anita Brown. At first I was very skeptical. You know, as a light-skinned person, you do not want to get dark, you know. So I was not like, Coco, are you sure this is actually going to, I'm sure it's going to work, but I was more concerned about, are you sure this body oil is not going to darken my skin? So that was the first time I got this body oil. Is it worth the hype? It is worth the hype. This is a fantastic body oil to add to your skincare routine. You know, it helps dry and dull skin. It does not only work to hydrate the skin, but it also helps to lock in moisture. I know, okay, let me explain what I mean by locking in moisture. You know, when you rub a moisturizing lotion, and for some of us that actually have normal to dry skin, you know, after rubbing the lotion on your skin might be feeling glowing and all that, and after a split of seconds, you know, you find yourself looking dry. But with this VASALINE Radiant Care Cocoa Butter Gel, like, it doesn't happen. It will lock in moisture, leaving your skin looking the same way up to the next 24 hours. Let me not stress and tell you up to 48 hours, but you have a healthy looking skin. This is basically what this body oil does, because it is highly moisturizing. This body oil, why I'm so much in love with this body oil is that it is formulated with cocoa butter and shea butter. You know, those butters, they are known for their, you know, how highly moisturizing it is. So guys, it will help you achieve a glowing skin, smoothing your skin, nourish your skin, leaving you with a healthy skin. Like once you start using this oil, I'm sure you will not even want to try any other oil, but there are still other oil that is also very, very good. And also this oil is recommended for all skin type, especially people with dry skin would definitely benefit from this particular body oil. But if you have oily skin, stay tuned, I have the perfect oil for you. This body oil is sold for $7,350. Amazing, right? So the second one on our list is AVEENO Daily Moisturizing Dry Body Oil Mist. This body oil, guys, the first time I heard about this body oil was from my sister. I had to steal some of the body oil to try because it's every time we buy. What if I don't have the money? I had to steal it from my sister to check how good this body oil is. Is it good? It is good. This body oil hydrates the skin. One good thing I love about this body oil is that it is formulated with jojoba oil and oat oil. Wait, do you know that it actually took me a while to find out that it's not jojoba oil, it's actually jojoba oil. So I'm going to leave the link in my description. I made a video about the best face oil. So guys, if you hear me pronouncing it as jojoba, please forgive me. It took me a while to actually find out that it's jojoba. Even as much as I'm teaching you guys, I'm also learning in the process. So guys, please, I apologize. Let's get right into it. It is highly moisturizing. It protects the skin barrier. It helps with anti-aging, wrinkle, and fine lines. It controls oil production. This particular body oil is what I would recommend for my oily skin people. Do you know why? It helps to control the production of oil. Jojoba oil, what it does basically is that it helps to control the production of excess oil. So in that way, your body will not be producing too much oil. It will keep it in check, it's looking healthy. I tell you guys, it's not about when you carry groundnut oil and pour on your skin. I say, my skin is shining, I'm glowing. That does not mean that you have a healthy skin. So if you have that type of skin, every time your skin is shining like someone that poured too much oil, please go and get this body oil. Go and get this body oil. This jojoba oil they include in it will help to control, the amount of your oil, how your skin produces oil, to just keep it in check. It will nourish your skin, it will smoothen your skin, it will hydrate your skin, it will lock in moisture and lock out dryness. And guys, this oil is very, very amazing on the skin. And like I said, it will not lighten your skin, neither will it brighten your skin, but it will give you a healthy glow. The third on our list is Palmer's coconut oil. I'm in love with Palmer's products, and why I love Palmer's products is because it is highly moisturizing. I think they are all about keeping the skin moisturized. So this oil, is highly moisturizing. I know people will not be like, oh, why am I going to buy this product? It's just coconut oil, and I just find my coconut oil and use. Why would I choose Palmer's products? Okay, let me tell you why this is actually different from other coconut oil, and why I recommend this Palmer's coconut oil is because it has vitamin E. I know vitamin E is responsible for keeping your skin healthy. Vitamin E included in it, it will help to protect the skin from harsh environments like the sunlight, during winter or during harmattan. This body oil will help to protect your skin because of the vitamin E oil included in it. So if you don't want to get the products, you can as well get vitamin E oil, like this type of vitamin E oil. Get it, then you get your coconut oil and mix it. Like I told you guys, you're not here to spend too much money to get a flawless skin. So guys, this particular body oil, what it will do for your skin is that it will smoothen your skin, it will help minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkle, nourish your skin, smoothing your skin, and making you to achieve a youthful glow. Is stable for all skin type, but the people that will benefit from this are people with dry skin. The fourth one on our list, which I know every mom knows about, is Johnson baby oil. Well, the Johnson baby oil I'm talking about is this particular Johnson baby oil. Why it is my favorite aside the other Johnson baby oil is because this body oil has vitamin E and aloe vera. You know, I always talk about aloe vera. In my last video, when I think I talked about TEALS body lotion. I talked about the TEALS body lotion having vitamin E, and if you watch the video, you guys remember what I said about it. Aloe vera has a highly healing properties, like it's very highly healing. So that's one thing I love about this. It has vitamin E to protect your skin from a free radical. The next on my list is Neutrogena body oil light skin salve. This body oil is very highly hydrating. You know, it will leave your skin feeling healthy, locking moisture, give you a radiant glow. The body oil is lightweight and is formulated with skin salve seed oil. It is also formulated with vitamin E, which will, you know, protect your skin cell from damage and free radical. It is antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. You know, it's also non-chondrogenic. It doesn't clog pores. It is recommended for all skin type, and people with oil skin can also benefit, and acne-prone skin. You know, if you find yourself, if you are the type of person that have acne, you know, there are people that have acne on their chest, their back, this is the right oil for you because it doesn't clog pores, so you will not see yourself developing rashes or pimple. And if you are someone that is also allergic to body oil, because I see a lot of people saying that they're allergic to body oil, this is the right oil you should go for because it's non-chondrogenic and it will smoothen your skin, hydrate your skin, you know, making you to achieve a healthy radiant glow. It comes in 250 ml and is sold for 3,500. The last on our list, you know, we cannot talk about body oil without mentioning Dr. TEALS moisturizing body oil. You know, I think this 2022 Dr. TEALS body product is here to stay. Like, their formulation is something that is wonderful. You know the type of people, if you're the type of person that you buy almond oil, you buy coconut oil, you buy, which other body oil am I going to talk about? you miss vitamin E oil, you miss jojoba oil. If you're that type of person, this body oil is for you. With this body oil I'm going to talk about, you don't need to miss your lavender oil, your almond oil, whatever body oil. Like, if you're the type of person, save your money, save it, come here, go and buy it. Dr. TEALS moisturizing body oil. This body oil is good, and one unique thing about this body oil is that it is formulated for the skin and for bathing as well. You can also add it to your bathing water. You know, it is very good. Another thing I love about this is lavender. If you're the type of person that always go to what's even called spa, you know that most spa have lavender scents. You know, it is very calming. So this body oil, not only does it calm the skin, it also nourishes the skin, it smoothens the skin. It is infused with chamomile and lavender. You know, this body oil, these two oils, they are very calming. If you're the type of person that is having trouble sleeping, I'm sure when you rub this oil, it will help you sleep like a baby. Trust me. Then it's also very nourishing. It's also formulated with sweet almond oil. It's also formulated with jojoba oil. Like, this oil is very good, highly moisturizing because of the cocoa butter. Also, yes, it's formulated with cocoa butter. It will leave your skin feeling smooth, radiant with a healthy glow. Dr. TEALS moisturizing body oil is sold for 5,350 and it comes in 200 ml. So guys, all the body oil I talk in today's video will help you achieve a glowing skin, hydrate your skin, nourish your skin, promote healthy skin, smoothens your skin. This body oil, they are very good. Oh, if you're wondering, how do I use this body oil, especially people that have not used body oil, because I always tell people, if you know what you are doing right now works for you, stick with it. Well, I'll share with you how I use my body oil. How I use my body oil is, after applying my lotion on my skin, the next thing I go with my body oil, just a way to lock in moisture. Some people, how they do it is that once they come out of the shower, they pour their body oil when their body is still wet and rub it all over their body before applying their cream. That one works as well. So do what works for you. Do you. Don't do me. But if you like me, you can do me. But if you already have the way you use it and it works for you, then stick to it. Guys, you have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.